Hi friends, and welcome to witness me murdering spoken English in our first video with a bit of a voiceover. The plan for first day was to drive about 150 kilometers to Tudu swamp, do a little 2-kilometer walk around the Tudu lake, maybe have a swim, and then drive about 40 kilometers to our first campsite at abandoned oil shale quarry. As you see, the first day of our adventure wasn't of sunniest kind. But since the weather is mainly as bad as your attitude towards it, we decided to keep our spirits up and head on. In this area we can witness the process of rebogification. Okay, I just made a word up, but originally these were bog grounds that in Soviet era got drained for economical purposes, and the pine forest took the place of once wide and open bog. But now efforts are made to restore the original environment by different actions like closing the drainage canals and also cutting down some forest to recreate the original soil moisture and vegetation. arriving at the idle quarry that was active from 1974 to 2012 and produced up to 2.4 million tons of oil shale per year. Since the mining was finished, over 4 million trees were planted in the area, and with water pumping stopped, former mining canals naturally filled with water. This has resulted in a unique and bit surreal landscape that is now quite popular among hikers and wanderers like us. We will be exploring the area much more in the next episode, but today it is time to make camp and settle for the evening.